Welcome to this tutorial on how to set a stop loss on Robinhood Options Mobile. Setting a stop loss is a crucial risk management strategy that can help you limit potential losses when trading options. To get started, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the Options Trading section. Select the options contract you want to trade and tap on the Buy or Sell button. Before you confirm the trade, you will see an option to add a stop loss. A stop loss is in order to sell a security when it falls to a certain price, known as the stop price. When the stop price is reached, the stop loss order becomes a market order and is executed at the next available price. To set a stop loss on Robinhood Options Mobile, tap on the Add Stop Loss button and enter the stop price. The stop price should be below the current market price for a long position and above the current market price for a short position. For example, if you buy a call option at $5, you can set a stop loss at $2. If the price of the call option falls to $2, the stop loss order will be triggered and the option will be sold at the next available price. It is essential to set a stop loss at a price that allows you to limit your losses while giving your trade enough room to move in your favor. Setting a stop loss too close to the current market price can result in the order being triggered too quickly, while setting it too far away may not provide sufficient protection. Best practices for setting a stop loss include setting a stop loss based on your risk tolerance, using technical analysis to determine the stop price, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your stop loss orders. In conclusion, setting a stop loss on Robinhood Options Mobile is a straightforward process that can help you manage risk and limit potential losses. By following these steps and best practices, you can use stop losses to protect your investments and achieve your trading goals. Remember to always set a stop loss based on your risk tolerance and market analysis, and to regularly review and adjust your stop loss orders to ensure they remain effective.